Today, my family is editing my professional photography. I sent them this portrait and told them to give me the best edit. And whoever wins gets a Starbucks gift card because that's the only way that anyone would do it. None of them have any experience in Photoshop, editing, retouching, or photography in general. So they come with zero experience across the board. So who's ready to judge my family's editing skills? Let's do my sister first because she literally took 17 months to get me this photo. So since she took the longest, I'm expecting this to be the best photo. So let's see. So that's my little sister's photo, and that is the original. Absolutely no effort whatsoever. I'm like, she didn't even try. Why did she? It feels like she added this. She made this area darker. Sis, what are you doing? What's happening here? I really feel like she didn't want to be part of this competition. Some of you may know my little sister Alana. She's in a lot of my videos. So I think I was expecting her to really come out with like the award-winning retouch here. So she did try to retouch out this area. There was a little pimple there, but she grabbed the wrong area and she replaced the pimple with uneven skin texture. So it left this area here. I honestly, what I think it is just laziness. I think she was just doing this in a hurry because I kept texting her to get me this retouch. You know when you get home and vacuum like one section of your house and you're like, okay, I did enough cleaning for today? That's pretty much what this is to me. My little sister, she didn't do me justice. She's supposed to be like my next descendant, right? In my bloodline, she's supposed to have the blood of Photoshop running through her veins. I'm seeing more like MS Paint, sis. She edited nothing else. Just the two. She actually made those two sections worse. She added this area, then that, and then she's like, okay, I'm done. I ruined it, and we're done. And let me go back to going to sleep. My sister's logic, okay, let me like ruin two areas of the picture so it looks like I did something, and then let me close the lights and then go back to sleep. How many minutes did you spend editing this picture?
Honestly, like 25.
This took you 25 minutes. Let's go to my cousin, because I feel like my cousin really will put an effort for this. Wow. Okay, Leia. All right. Okay, so this is the original photo. And this is my cousin's picture. Okay, the best coloring so far. This is actually really... Girl, how did you edit the colors in this? I'm going to text her later like, okay, I have a photo shoot I need you to work on. So the colors are really nice. I don't mind them at all. I actually like the orange tones of it. And I like the fact that she picked something that really complements the photo. No skin retouching was done for this one, but the colors are super pretty. So I'll definitely give her points for this one. I feel like had she just took it a step further and just like cleaned up the skin just a little bit, okay, she might have won this. She'll be getting the Frappuccino today. Or the hot chocolate, depending on how the weather is. I think all it's gonna take is literally someone to just do a smoothing filter and then I'll be like, yes, you win. You're a professional. Let's move on to my brother who actually sent it on time. He was the first one to submit his photo. Are you serious? Okay, what? Did he just add my cats in there? Where did he get this picture? You guys, these are my cats. That's my cat, Pipsy. That's Binks. Okay. This is so... Whoa, actually, this is pretty good. This is pretty good, you guys. Look at the retouching, the skin. He actually, like, did a bit of cleanup to the skin. And I don't know how he cut out my cat. That's my cat, Pipsy. You're probably watching this wondering, like, what that? He just put, like, two random animals. Like, these are my children. The cutting out of the photos is impeccable. Dang, does he have Photoshop? Did you pay someone to do this? This is looking too good. There's no way he edited this. He definitely cheated. Like, there's no way. Look at those little hairs. That is a professional's touch right there. I think I caught the cheater. It's my brother. You think my brother's gonna sit there hair by hair? He added a golden glow, you guys. It looks like she was in the south of Italy. There's no way that he would even think to do that. Plus, look at the under eye area. It's looking way too clean. It's a nice retouch overall. And that's exactly how I know my brother did not do this. And also, how did he even get this picture? My cat doesn't even like him. How did he even get this close to her? You guys think my brother's out there using frequency separation? He's not. He walks around barefoot. It was a good touch. I'm gonna say, if he's trying to get the heart, like the emotional vote from me, I mean, he got it. Okay, I gotta ask you something and you gotta tell me the truth.
Alright.
How much did you pay to get this photo retouched?
What are you talking about?
Did you cheat and send this to someone to retouch?
That's a great picture right there, okay? That's all that matters.
Did you cheat?
The rules were to give you, to take that
I believe
pic,
we are all God's children
to edit
and we're all
it,
connected.
and to give it back to you.
That's a
You
great
never
picture
told
right
us
there.
how
It
to
doesn't
do
matter.
it.
It
You
doesn't matter
said,
who's
go
who.
for it.
We're all one being. We're in this together for Earth.
So you didn't pay anyone to retouch this?
If I am anything, honest, okay? So, shout out to my boy. I can't think of his name. Who I did find on Fiverr, and I did pay, and I did leave a tip because I'm a nice guy. He did edit that for me.
So you didn't edit anything?
Listen, I basically directed him. So in that sense, I did edit it.
I already knew. I see frequency separation. I know it's not from my family. Next up is my oldest sister. She's the elder of the family. Does that make her sound old? Because she's not really. Okay, this is very surprising. Very surprising. A lot of color going on here. This is before, and this is after. Oh, and there's some cropping that was done. Okay, it's very minimal cropping, very subtle. She cropped like a centimeter up top. I wonder if that's like an artistic choice. I do appreciate that the skin was cleaned up. This shows me she actually put in effort. Thank you, Melissa. So we have this little patch right here. And it might be, and also this area over here, which might just be her trying to clone stamp and clean up the skin, but she grabbed an area that didn't quite match. But again, they're not professional retouchers. I just think it's fun to like see what they would concentrate on. Right here, you can see there was a bit of smoothing, and then we have the original texture. I just love the fact that she put in some effort. Yeah, it's hard. It's not easy to do a good job retouching skin, but my sister tried. Look at this. So we can see right there. I think she was trying to clean up this area and accidentally clone stamped maybe a wrong section right here that didn't quite match. So we can see that right here. Something's going on there. There was a texture added. Can you guys see that right there? There's a bit of bokeh that wasn't there before. Am I a loser? Yeah, this is all I do. My sister Melissa gets the highest score so far. I think she put in the most effort, the most care. She really cares about this. Moving on to my little brother's photo. There's no way he edited this himself. Did he also cheat? Did he cheat too? What? There's no way he edited. You guys, you really think my brother did all this? Maybe he did. I mean, he does have Facetune on his phone. He's always asking me to edit his photos for Instagram. But could he be capable of this? I mean, look at the makeup. You guys, did my brother cheat? Did both of my brothers cheat? Did they like plan this together? Did they cheat together? It also looks like the bridge of the nose was adjusted too. How did he edit her makeup? I'm calling him right now. I feel like, did everyone cheat at this point? Everyone but Alana cheated. Did you really retouch this yourself?
Yeah, why?
So you didn't pay anyone to retouch this?
Why did I?
Okay, interesting. Do you want to see Ali's picture? Did you see what he did? Did Ali cheat?
Never.
You think Ali retouched this?
Probably not, but no.
So then he did cheat. Okay. Just call my brother. He claims he didn't cheat, and he claims my brother didn't cheat. What do you guys think? Zooming into this edit, whoever did it, I don't know if it was my brother. Skin looks great. It's cleaned up. The makeup was enhanced. The blush was enhanced. The lipstick as well. Colors are great. He even cropped it. He or whoever edited this cropped it. If my brother actually retouched this, he probably has the best edit. Do you think he cheated?
Yeah, and you know what? It's not fair because we were supposed to retouch these ourselves.
You think that Hassan retouched this?
That looks like Hassan's work, yeah.
So you don't think that Hassan cheated?
No, my brother doesn't cheat.
We're just talking about photography. Don't get too deep here. Last but not least is my baby cousin. So let's take a look at how she edited this picture. So this is the original. And this is her photo. Oh, how cute. I just love my cousin. So anything she does, I'm like, oh my God, so cute. She also did a very subtle crop at the top, which is interesting. Like, why do they do like the tiny little crops? It's like a 0.5 centimeter crop. Usually when I crop, I try to be a bit more deliberate. Oh, I actually love what she did with the pinks and the reds. That's the first thing that I noticed. And also she sent me 2 edits. So let's take a look at her other edit, shall we? This one? What? What is going on? Why is there... What is that Jimin? I don't even know what to say. My cousin is a huge BTS stan, so I expected nothing less. This is an art piece that you would find in a museum in France. I mean, it's just very thoughtful, I would say. To be honest, I gotta clear up the cheating allegations before I name a winner officially. But as it stands now, my brother Hassan has the best photo. So who should win? I'm going to leave it up to you guys. Vote in the comments. Whoever has the most votes will win the gift card. I'll leave it up to you guys. You make the decision. So I'll see you guys later.